Hello friends, welcome to VCR Mathematics. It is virtual classroom for maths. I am Ranveer Havi and we are going to study integrals. It is for class 12th and above. So friends, first question is, what is integrals? Okay, integrals is basically antiderivative. Okay, we all know derivative. We have studied the differentiation in previous chapter. Okay, those who don't know how to find the derivative or how to find the differential of the functions, I will cover each and every topic for class 10th and 12th by the end of February 2018. So friends, this time we are going to study integrals. Okay, integrals and integration, there are two words. Okay, integrals is a final result like differential. Okay, and the process of finding integrals is called integration. Okay, so don't be confused in these two words. There are basically two type of integrals. One is definite integrals and another is indefinite integrals. In this lesson we are going to study the basics of indefinite integration. Okay, so integration can be written symbolically in the form of this fx dx. Okay, this is integration of fx with respect to x. Integration of fx, integration of a function with respect to x, the variable in that function. Okay, now integration, like the first formula we are going to study in integration is integration of x to power n dx. What is the integration of x to power n? This is the first and the very important formula for evaluating integration, that is x to power n. What is the integration of x to power n? The integration of x to power n is x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Okay friends, now we can see some example of based on this formula, and that is like if we have to evaluate the integrals of x to power 10 dx. How we will find out the integrals of x to power 10? By this formula we can write x to power 10 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 plus c. See, here x is a variable and n is a constant term, and can be any real number. So our final result will be x to power 11 upon 11 plus c. Okay friends, the differentiation of e to power x is e to power x, and integral is basically antiderivative. So integration of e to power x dx will be, e to power x is a exponential function. Okay, so integration of e to power x will be e to power x plus c, because we are seeing here the indefinite integration. Okay, indefinite integration. So e to power x, integration of e to power x is e to power x. Okay friends, these are some basics formula of integrals. Okay, we will definitely see definite integrals also, but in this tutorial we are only going to see the basics of indefinite integrations. Now we have a list of formula, like when we studied the differentiation, we find out the differential of trigonometric function, we find out the differential of logarithmic function. Similarly, here in integration also we will have different formula, but if you know the differentiation, this will be easy for you to understand how to find integration of any function. Okay friends, now what will be the integration of x dx? Here x is a linear term. Okay, so we can write x as x to power 1. So what will be the integration of x? This will be x to power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus c. This will be x square by 2 plus c. Okay friends. Now if we can find out the integration of a constant term like 5 dx, so we can write the constant as 5x to power 0 dx. Okay, this will be what? This will be 5x to power 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1 plus c. This is 5x plus c. So whenever we have a constant, to find out the integrals of that constant, like what will be the integration of 10 dx? The integration of 10 dx will be 10x plus c. Okay, but when we study the differentiation, what was the differentiation of 5? What was the differentiation of 5? The differentiation of any constant term is 0. But in case of integrations, integration of a constant term is that constant term multiplied by the linear by. We will see each and every formula of integration. There are about 14 to 15 formula, basic formula, which we have already studied in differentiation. And integration is basically inverse process of differentiation. Okay, so this will be easy for us to understand how to find the integrals of the function. Like we will take an example from NCERT, that what is the integration of this function, and the function is integration of x to power 2 by 3 plus 1 dx. See, when we will study some properties of indefinite integrals, then we will see when two functions are added, we can separate these two functions, like integration of x to power 2 by 3 dx plus integration of 1 dx. Okay, and what will be the integration of this? We have already seen that integration of x to power n dx is x to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, and where n is any real number. So we can find out the integration by we can write integration like x to power 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 2 by 3 plus 1 plus c1 for this integration. And what is the integration of 1? This will be x plus c2. Okay, so the integration will be what? X to power 5 by 3 upon 5 by 3 plus x plus, we can write c1 and c2 as c because both are constant and we can eliminate this. So we can write the integration of this function will be 3 by 5 x to power 5 by 3 plus x plus c. Okay friends, so we will study each and everything in integrations. If you like the tutorial and if you want to clear the examination with handsome marks, so then please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much. We will see in next tutorial. Happy learning. Bye bye.